Now for the creation process of these custom minifigures. Here's how I do it step by step. Find a reference image. I start by searching online for a picture of the Minecraft character I want to create. This image will be the guide to my design. Then I open a blank Paint 3D canvas and zoom in on the image as much as possible. Next, I create a 16 by 16 pixel square by adjusting the pixel pin to a 1 pixel size. You can use a color similar to the character's skin for the square, which helps during the design phase. I recommend using Bing AI Copilot to find the official Lego RGB or hex number for accurate matching. Right-click on the colors in Paint 3D to change their RGB values. Using the official Lego color that matches that character's skin, I draw out the facial features. You can use official Lego colors or whatever looks good, just make sure that the main hair or head color matches the head behind it. For the torso, I usually find a blank minifigure template online and import it into Paint 3D. I then bucket fill it with the appropriate Lego color. I use the Magic Select tool to cut out details from the Minecraft skin and overlay them onto the blank torso template. After that, I crop it out and place it onto my sticker sheet. When preparing to print, I scaled the publisher paper to 110% and make sure the design is slightly smaller than the minifigure torso when held up to the screen. This sizing may vary depending on your computer or device, so adjust as needed. Save your publisher file with a memorable name and then go to File, Export, PDF. Exporting as a PDF is crucial because PDFs maintain higher DPI or dots per inch for better print quality in the settings. When you go to print, go to More Settings and set the DPI for 1200 for the best results. Higher DPI results in sharper and clearer images, especially on a smaller scale. Sometimes the printed colors won't match perfectly with the RGB or the hex numbers even. Even if they are the same, you might need to lighten or darken the colors using Publisher's lighting correction tool to get closer to the official Lego colors. And you can print out the torsos from Publisher just to color match a little bit before printing them out at the higher quality. Once you have everything color corrected, print it out and cover it with a clear tape. Make sure it is true invisible tape and not the foggy kind to give it the Lego sheen and mimic the plastic texture. Cut out the design as closely as possible following the black lines on the edge. Then use a glue stick glue to attach your designs to the minifigure. If you want the design to be permanent, you can optionally spray a clear acrylic sealer or use Mod Podge to protect the print. If you prefer removable designs, then just leave it and re-glue as necessary. That is my tutorial for creating a custom minifigure. Now, thank you for sticking through all those details, and if you found this helpful, please consider subscribing. We're making great progress and are now in second place in the subscriber race, just a few away from overtaking Boomerang Bro Productions and being in first. That's all from me though. Spidey Steve, see you next time.